Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My channel is basically based on science and technologies video tutorial. Guys, today we will learn that how to increase the brightness and how to increase or decrease the brightness in Windows 11. Brightness in Windows 11 can be increased or decreased through two methods. One method is based on long route and the second method is based on short route. Today we will discuss only the long route through which we can increase or decrease the brightness of our system. For increasing or decreasing the brightness in Windows 11, first of all there should be right click in the desktop and now go to properties or personalize. Now go to system. Here we have a list of menus. We should click on display. Here we have on the top brightness, and the brightness here can be adjusted or customized through the scrolling of bar in front of brightness. If we scroll to the bar to the left side, the brightness decreases, while if we scroll it to the right side like this, the brightness increases. Now I think the recommended value for the brightness should be 50 because I am okay with it, so I will adjust it on the 50, which is the medium and recommended value for the brightness, and that is how we can increase or decrease the brightness of our system in Windows 11. I think this is enough for today's tutorial, and we will meet with another video very soon. Till date, please subscribe our channel and like and share our video. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.